Hello guys and welcome back to Night Army Gaming channel guys. So guys, you have to like, subscribe and share bell notification on all to press. So guys, I am expecting an 100 subscribe for this video and 150 like for this video. So guys, let's go to the video. Today's topic is my India server and Brazil servers collection video. It's entry. Guys, only 5 characters I am. Let's go to bundle section. This is an samurai bundle legendary. I have only one guys. For this also, only one for this also. This is a samurai bundle, my favorite one. For all Free Fire players, this favorite only. Guys, tomorrow I will come live stream after 9:30 am. I will try guys. Let's play from our Indian server. Let's go to pet section guys. Here is first pet and second pet. And this is third pet and fourth pet and fifth pet. We have totally 5 pets in our Brazil. Only 1 month ID guys. See how much population in our ID. Only 3 emotes. Emotes are so less. Black backpack also so less. Level is also so less. I won't play more. Only limited. Let's see for an half an hour tomorrow. Let's see guys. Let's see. Okay. This is another one. Okay. Let's go to weapon collection. Guys, share to your friends, that is important one. This one is for me only. COD is also one permanent skin. For MP40 also is one permanent. It's an Brazil server guys. At 10 I will show. In the what server. This is the effect of this grenade for this. More than 6 minutes for this only. It has been over minutes. I will show on the Brazil tomorrow India server. Okay guys. Sorry, I didn't show for that. Sorry. This is permanent. This is also permanent. Okay guys, I will end the video. So guys, you have to like, subscribe and share bell notification on all to press. So guys, bye, take care, bye guys. Share to your friends guys.